Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And we got this air pump here. It's a 60-watt air pump. Got it on Amazon. Outdoor fishing air pump, made in China. So just open it up and see what's inside. We got our service card here, and we got instructions on how to set it up. We might follow them, we might not. Yeah, so we got a little manifold set here. You got one inlet and about 8 outlets. Little hose, a check valve, brass fitting. We got one of these cigarette adapters, and we got some alligator clips and another pigtail here. Alright, and then we got these little stones here. This is where the air bubbles is going to come out. And we got a handful of them. I think we got 8 of them. We got this very soft hose. Not sure if it's going to handle the heat. And here's the pump. Now, once again, this is a DC pump. This is a brushed motor. Once again, DC 12 volts. I was looking for a 24 volt motor. There's a brand on there. And one of the reasons I wanted 24 volts was my well pump there for my fountain is 24 volts. My solar panels are 32 volts VOC, or you know, perfect for 24 volt applications. Alright, so here's instructions. Air pump, some applications of aquatic transportation, outdoor fishing, or fish market. But here we got the 60-watt pump. Breathing quality in kilograms, 60 to 75. The MPA pressure 0.08, 80 liters a minute. Shunts 8, I guess that's outlets, and 2.35 kilograms for this pump. Alright, so we're going to drop this into a 5-gallon bucket here. Make sure they're at the very bottom. As you can see, I have my alligator clips to my battery on my truck. Alright, that looks pretty good there. Alright, so the next thing to do is look for an air hose at the house that's about 3/8, maybe about 50 feet. Throw it in there with some weighted nuts on the hose, and hopefully we can get the air bubbles there in the center, somewhere there, and then I'll have the fountain over there, and that'll help out with the oxygen. And right there's about 2 feet deep. So the best thing to do is throw it there in the middle to see how the pump reacts to the deeper end there.